Good morning, everybody. How are you today, my friends? I am Miss Liliana, one of the teachers from Let and Play Tampa Bay program, brought to you by Kleiser Children's Museum and generously funded provided by the Children's Board of his Board account. This morning, my friends, look at over here what I got it on my hands. I have the beautiful caterpillar, and I want to invite all of you to make it one like this one, please. Okay? Are you ready? Yes, right? Please grab it a carton egg like this one, a small piece of red paper, a small piece of black paper, glue, green marker, or if you prefer, you can use the crayon, the green crayon, scissors, the pencil, and the marker. That's it. And so now you have all the materials ready. We're going to start. Okay, we are ready now. Let's go to start with the carton egg. Pick one of the rows. And so grown-ups, right now I need your help, please. Okay, take the big scissors because this part is a little bit hard for the little ones. And started to cut it off. At the end, you're going to have the piece like this one. You see? Next step. Take the marker, the green marker, and you need to start now coloring. Do you see? It's cool, right? Okay, let's go to leave it over there. Now, please take the small piece of red paper. Okay, and let's go to draw a circle. Very well. And so now, with your scissors, please cut it off very well over the line. Be careful with the fingers. And you need to have a circle like this one. Now, grab the black marker and let's go to draw the two eyes to the caterpillar. Like this. Beautiful. Put it back the marker, we don't need it anymore. And so now, take the small piece of black paper, folding in a half, and let's go to cut it off now the antennas. And you're going to have two antennas like this one. Did you see? Okay, and so now it's time to glue it very well. And so now let's go to put it more glue in the middle one on the back side of the face, and let's go to put it over the body. Okay, hold it very well because need to dry. Okay, and ta-da! The caterpillar is ready. Good job, my friends. You did it very well. Thank you so much for joining us. And please don't forget to follow us in our social page, Facebook and Instagram, Let and Play at Home, and subscribe in our YouTube channel too for more fun videos and tips. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.